Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg roll, a full guide from start to finish. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like pork or chicken, and 2 cups of shredded vegetables such as cabbage and carrots. Don't forget your egg roll wrappers and a good quality cooking oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, for frying. Make sure everything is prepped and ready to go. Now, let's create that delicious filling. Begin by browning about 1 pound of your chosen ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat. Once cooked, be sure to drain any excess fat completely. Next, add your 2 cups of shredded vegetables like cabbage and carrots and sauté them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, mix everything together with your favorite seasonings, such as soy sauce and a pinch of ginger. Rolling an egg roll perfectly is key to a crispy result. Lay one wrapper on a clean surface with a corner pointing towards you. Place about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling onto the lower third of the wrapper. Fold the bottom corner up and over the filling, then fold in both side corners towards the center. Now, roll the wrapper tightly upwards towards the top corner, sealing the very end with a dab of water to secure it. The final step is frying your delicious egg rolls to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable or peanut oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few egg rolls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain them on a wire rack and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.